Yeah. Hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes. I'm the co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. You know what to do over here. Talk about how to make money online and a lot. Yeah. So today I'm here to talk much about Neptune Network. Yeah, so after the masterclass, I've been busy guiding people. Yeah, in closed doors. So I haven't been able to do videos about Neptune Network for a while now. But let me tell you one thing. I've already told you that the only way to withdraw your money is by doing the rebounding. So if you don't do the rebound, then you can't withdraw your money. And the reason why I do this video is that right now some people are claiming themselves to be Neptune administrators, and they can chat to you and be like, they can guide you to withdraw your money. And if you want to withdraw your money, like, they will take 10%. So give them your passkey and your password and a lot of stuff. Please don't do that. Your passkey have to be visible to only you. Sharing your passkey automatically is that you are sharing your fund, so they can easily withdraw your money. I said no one can withdraw your money for you unless you. And I saw some people commenting on my video that where after the rebounding, I take your passkey, and me, I don't take your passkey. I don't take your for what? For what reason? Well, why should I take your passkey and your password? For what? That is why I'm right here telling you that don't let anyone chat you and be claiming to be Neptune administrator and be taking your passkeys from you. You will end up losing your account. Just simple as that. So don't do that mistakes. Yeah, don't do that mistake. Yeah. So the only way that you can earn your money right now, to Neptune have reduced their rate to 0.01. So if we have, let's say if we have 10,000 right now times 0.01, you have $100. If you have 10,000 USDT, when we withdraw it, we get $100. Yeah, so that is how it is. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Don't release your passkey to anyone. And if Neptune Network is still not there, they will not be giving you updates and be telling you that why are you giving your passkey to someone for someone to scam you and get your money? Because if they are gone, that one is none of their business. But they are still there telling you to what, be careful. You see, yeah. So I think that is why I do this video, and I know you too. You will be careful and you play smart and safe about your money. Thank you for watching me, and I'm out.